Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the UKVI IELTS exam. This test is crucial for those applying for a UK visa, demonstrating your English language proficiency. We'll cover everything from understanding the format to mastering each section, ensuring you feel confident and ready. Our step-by-step guide will help you navigate the preparation process effectively, setting you up for success on exam day. Let's get started on your journey to achieving your desired score. The UKVI IELTS exam is divided into 4 distinct sections, each designed to assess a different aspect of your English language skills. First, the listening section lasts about 30 minutes, followed by 40 questions. Next, the reading section gives you 60 minutes to answer 40 questions across 3 passages. The writing section also takes 60 minutes, requiring you to complete 2 tasks. Finally, the speaking test is a one-on-one interview, lasting between 11 and 14 minutes. Understanding these components is your first step. To prepare effectively, consistent practice is key. Start by taking full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Focus on improving your weaker areas by dedicating extra time to them. Use official IELTS preparation materials, which offer authentic questions and helpful tips. Consider joining a study group or finding a tutor for personalized feedback. Remember, regular exposure to English through reading, listening, and speaking will significantly boost your confidence and skills. On exam day, ensure you are well rested and have a clear mind. Double-check that you have all required identification documents, as you will not be allowed to sit the exam without them. Arrive at the test center at least 30 minutes early to allow for check-in procedures and to settle in. Stay calm and focused throughout the exam, managing your time wisely in each section. Trust in your preparation and give your best effort. You've worked hard for this moment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.